Students, now the next topic is the uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? Actually, when an object move in a circular path with constant speed or uniform speed, then the motion of the object is said to be uniform circular motion. Okay, when the object moves on the circular path, then at every point its direction changes. And what will be the direction of the object? The direction of object is tangentially to its position. Okay, because the path is circular. So at every point, if we draw a tangent, then at that point the tangent will give the direction. Suppose at point A the direction of motion this will be this one, at this point the direction of motion will be this, at B this. So at every point the tangent at every point will give the direction of the motion. Okay, now one more thing, that during circular motion the speed remain constant because the speed is a scalar quantity, so there is no effect on of direction on the speed, but the velocity remains, the velocity changes with respect to the direction of motion, because at every point the direction is going to change. That's why we can say the velocity changes only with respect to the direction of motion. Okay, but the magnitude of velocity will remain same, only direction of velocity will change. Now we will take an example also. Suppose a person is there and the person has take a stone and tied it at the end of a string, and now it is just making the stone in motion or in a circular path. We know that the person has holded the stone in its hand, actually with the help of a string. धागा पकड़ा हुआ है और स्टोन यहाँ से गोल गोल घुमा रहा है वो. सो एक्चुअली इन द स्ट्रिंग ओवर हियर अ टेंशन फोर्स इज प्रेजेंट. एक फोर्स लगता है, एक टेंशन फोर्स विच इज क्रिएटिंग अ सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, जो कि अंदर की तरफ एक सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स को क्रिएट करता है. और बाहर की तरफ जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे लगता है, क्योंकि अगर हम इसको छोड़ देंगे तो ये क्या है, बाहर की तरफ मूव करेगा. एज अ रिजल्ट मूव करेगा बाहर की तरफ, बिकॉज आउटसाइड ऑल्सो अ सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इज एक्टिंग एंड द मोशन विल बी इन द tangential direction. Okay, now we can also calculate the speed in this uniform circular motion. The speed is equal to distance upon time, and if the object is moving in a circular path, then definitely in one round it will cover 2 pi r distance upon t. So the speed will be calculated by this formula. The unit of speed will be meter per second. Now there are some examples related to the motion of the object in circular path, like the motion of moon or any satellite around the planet we know. And even this, if a cyclist is moving on a circular track with uniform speed, then it will be also the example of uniform circular motion. If the electrons are also moving around the nucleus in an atom, then also this is the example of uniform circular motion. Even the athlete is also running on a circular track, then that is also the example of uniform circular motion. Now here we go with an example related to the circular motion. This is an NCERT example. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Then calculate its speed if it take 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So first of all, in the numerical problem we will write the given. Given is the radius is given that 42250 km, and velocity is equals to question mark, that is speed is equals to question mark, and time is equals to 24 hour. So we will put the formula. V is equals to 2 pi r upon t. So 2 into pi की वैल्यू 22/7 और यहाँ से हमने रेडियस की वैल्यू रखी. फिर हम जब इसकी कैलकुलेशन को कट करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट हियर 232375/21, ओके, किलोमीटर पर आवर. Okay, so when we will calculate it, then we will get the value 11065, okay, 0.47 kilometer per hour, We can also convert it in meter per second. So to convert it into meter per second, we will multiply it by 1000 and divide it by 3600, because in 1 hour how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds. So if we will divide it like this, then the answer which we will get will be equal to 3073.74 meter per second. Okay.